Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. I was supposed to be working today, but as you'll see, the fine heavens opened up with rain. So rain stop play today. Can't lay slabs in the rain. Slubby, slubby, slubby. Day off. So I'm just doing a delivery, a honey delivery. It's quite a big one. Wait, it would have been bigger if I'd have had the stock. Yeah, this is a new outlet for me. I'm quite excited about this because this is right local to me, and it's a good venue. Like, it's a farm. Yeah, it should be all right. Like, so they did ask a long time ago about the honey, but back then my bees didn't make enough honey because I didn't have enough bees to be able to do it. And you know, I weren't all legal, above board and registered and things like that. I am now, so I come up yesterday and brought them up what I have and shown them. Oh, look, we got some runnings. I brought, yeah, anyway, boring. I went to school with him. And yeah, anyway, this is it. West Lodge Farm Park. But yeah, so they're having a honey delivery. I come up yesterday and showed them what I do, and they did want 10 immune boosters, which I'm mixing up a batch, and I've got a big batch because they go pretty quick. And they wanted 10 of the big 900ml beast bad boy jars, which is wow. I was quite surprised by that. But then they sell quite well over at Desborough, so yeah. So but I didn't have 10 jars, so I can't supply 10 jars. But jars are on order, so they'll get some of them when we get them done. My fault really, but you know. I don't buy the big 900ml in big bulk of jars because just in case they don't sell. I don't want to be sat with all these big jars. This road is terrible. I don't want to be sat with all these big jars, you see. So, but also I made a cock up and all when I ordered more. For some reason I ordered 700ml. So, and I ordered a few. So there's going to be a range of 700ml jars coming out through stupidity and error, as usual. Oh, look at the cows over there. They got a lot of animals up here. That's why it's called an animal park. Animal farm park, or whatever. Farm park. Didn't say animals, did it? I just made that bit up. But they got a lot of animals. Look, they got some cows. Look, that one's got teats. That must have milk. That must be milky cow. They're big, and they got shiny coat. I learnt when I was working on a farm and from farmy things, if cows have got a shiny coat, it means they're happy, healthy cows. So if you're going to sell cows, go and get baby oil and rub them all in it, like P. Diddy would, and they might sell well. Anyway, this is it. I'm going to take it off, take it into there. So if anybody wants Happybees Honey, then yeah, West Lodge Farm Park.